Are you still looking at me? Why you still looking at me?
So I thought I'd create a couple of looks using this new palette by TheBalm. What I like about this is it actually comes with a primer. So it's like a cream primer in your eyeshadow palette, which is great for traveling. And I ended up really liking this primer. It went on really smooth and it did actually work. So I applied that all over, and then I took the shade beside it, which is like a mid-tone transition shade. And I applied that using a blending brush in the crease of the eye. What I really like about this palette is how balanced it is. We have our primer, we have our mid-tone, then we also have a contour beside that, which is like a dark greeny tone. I applied this all over the lid area, and this worked as a base for the greens that I'm going to apply over the top. This went all over the lid using a blending brush, and then I took the green, and I did apply it with the blending brush to start with, but then I wanted to really pack it on, so I used my fingertips just to press it on there. And then just used the blending brush again just to soften out any harsh lines. I went in then with the silvery kind of greeny tone, which is right beside the green, and applied this on the inner corner just to kind of lift it and add a little bit of dimension and shine. And I applied a bit more of that green then using my fingertips and just applied it underneath. And it literally took me maybe a minute and a half to create this look. I applied some falsies and I was really happy with the results. So that's just one look. Let's try another one using the pink tones. Once again, I started off with the primer, then I took the mid-tone and I applied this all over the crease area and also onto the lid too. So this mid-tone has a little bit of pink in it, so it's going to work great as a base for that pink. So I started applying it with a brush, but then I once again used my fingertips to really press it on. Then I took the darker shade, which is like a purple. The cool thing is this shade would actually work with the greens as well, but it worked great with the pinks. So it's a very well thought out palette. And I just applied that on the outer edge of the eye. And then took the highlighter shade and apply this on the inner corner of the eye. Once again, a super quick and easy makeup look. Super impressed with this palette, really easy to use. Definitely let me know if there's other palettes you'd like me to try out, but this gets a massive thumbs up from me.
Are you still looking at me? Why you still looking at me?